I'm about to share with you 3 work from home job opportunities that pay weekly or even daily. All right, let's jump straight into it. If you are looking for a work from home job opportunity, you are watching the right video. So first work from home job is called Blue Zebra. Now this straight up is a cold calling position. All right, so if you're one of them people that's like, yo, I don't want to talk to people, I hate people, I can't control my attitude, this ain't for you. But if you don't mind talking to people on the phone, you don't mind selling to people, you're energetic and you dedicated and you motivated, then you want to check out Blue Zebra. All right, now they do say they want people to have at least 5 to 7 years of sales experience. But like I always say, if you feel like you really can do the job and you really feel like you can be a good worker, then I would apply anyway. But just keep in mind, they say they do want you to have some sort of sales experience. Now with Blue Zebra, you do get paid weekly with this opportunity. All right. The next work from home job opportunity is from Translate.com. Now with Translate.com, they are looking for multilingual people. Now I know there's a lot of people out there that know how to speak multiple languages. I'm not one of them. You know what I'm saying? Like one day I do want to learn another language. I don't know which one, but I do want to learn one, right? But so if you are multilingual, you can actually work from home and apply to be a translator with Translate.com. Now you will be translating in the tech, medical, and business industries. All right, so just keep that in mind. Not that you care, because if you get hired, you're probably like, yo, I'm ready to translate any and everything. Now, a really cool thing about Translate.com is you can get paid whenever you want. So whenever you make that money, you can be like, yo, give me my money. I want it now. Give it up, right? So you have that opportunity with Translate.com. And lastly, onlinewritingjobs.com. They are always looking for good quality writers to provide content for their clients. All right. So if you have any experience in writing and you're looking for some extra cash, check this out. All right. Now, the only thing you really need to be considered for one of these writing jobs is an example of your writing. So if you have anything that you've written, you know, in the past or whatever, submit that during your application process. Or, I mean, shit, you can write something right now, you know what I'm saying? Write something up before you apply and let them know, you know, that you got skills. Now, when it comes to onlinewritingjobs.com, you will get paid weekly via PayPal. Hopefully one of these online jobs appeal to you and you get that position. Now, if you want to check out a really dope online money making opportunity that I'm making money with every month, you need to watch this video right here.